What's the meaning of Cornish cream? Cornish cream. Cornish cream.
Cornish cream. Cornish cream. Cornish cream refers to a type of thick and rich cream that is produced in Cornwall, a county located in the southwestern part of England. It is made from the milk of cows that graze on the lush green grasses of the region and is often used as a topping or an ingredient in desserts such as scones, cakes, and puddings. Known for its smooth and velvety texture and slightly sweet taste, Cornish cream is highly regarded by food enthusiasts worldwide and is considered a delicacy in the culinary world.